On the Rhino, and we've got this stuff called slime. I used to hear when I was a kid that this stuff was bad for your tires. They say now it's not, I don't know. But anyway, the Rhino has got, I think 3 of the 4 tires are leaking. So I'm gonna put this stuff in there and hope that works. Both front tires, the back left tire. Here comes Lawson back on the golf cart. It had the same problem. So what you do is you fill them up and then use centrifugal force to spin it around. So he's great at that job, driving. All right, step 1, remove the valve stem. They give you a little valve stem tool. It's pretty cool. I have a valve stem tool, but I don't know that I could have found it. Let the rest of that air come out. And then the bottle calls for 24 pumps on a tire this size. That's why I bought the gallon size. So I did the golf cart. I'm gonna do this baby, and I'm going to do the, what's the other thing I was gonna do? Oh, the lawnmower. After you put this in there, then you inflate the tire to the desired pressure. I've lost count. I had one job to do. I can't talk and count at the same time. All right, that's surely enough. All right, a little back pressure there. Desired pressure on these 18 pounds. Last time I did like 16 pounds. I don't want it to be too stiff because you're riding through the mud and stuff. Oh, did I put the valve stem back in here? Nope. Put the valve stem in first, it's easier. Not impossible, but easier. Okay, so we moved on to the front one. All right. Put the valve stem back in. Put the valve stem in when it's empty, it'll go in better. Though I will say, putting the valve stem in after you've squirted some air in there may be better, because you squirt the air and clear out those lines so that goo's not in your valve stem right there. We'll air this one up.